UTVs are awesome, whether you're hitting the trails or working around the farm. But most UTVs are missing basic features from the factory. These are our top 5 UTV mods that make a huge difference. All of these can be done with basic mechanical knowledge, little bit of wiring, and common tools. Let's get to the list. Easy mod number 1, wheels and tires. Wheels and tires, or at very least new tires on your stock wheels, are the best easy UTV mod by far. A new wheel and tire setup is also an awesome way to change the look of your machine. Stock UTVs come with basic tires that are meant to be decent at everything, but not really good at anything. Tires are a great way to improve traction, ground clearance, and avoid punctures out on the trail. Some of the most popular options we have at Fueled UTV include the Maxxis Rockzilla, an excellent rock crawling tire with tons of grip, the System 3 Off-Road XTR 370, an all-terrain tire with 8-ply construction and deep tread. They also have super deep rim guard protection to shield your fancy new wheels. Rounding out the top 3, the legendary BF Goodrich Mud Terrain KM3 tire. They're excellent, tough, and they excel in the rocks and mud. Now, what the best wheel upgrade for you is, that depends on a couple things. First off, what tire size did you go with? And second, what is your riding style? There's a huge variety to choose from. Cast aluminum for general all-terrain and sand use, forged aluminum for racing and sand, and basic steel wheels for mud and just working around the farm. Beadlock wheels are great to pair with your rock crawling tires, allowing you to run super low tire pressure. Different wheel offsets can also help fit larger than stock tire sizes. For expert help in choosing a new wheel and tire setup for your UTV, give our guys a call or email and we'd be happy to set you up with the exact right options. Swapping out wheels and tires is about as easy as it gets. If you're just gonna do one thing on this list, we suggest this one. Easy mod number 2, a winch. A winch like this one is gonna be essential if you're hitting the trail or just working in muddy terrain. You never know when you might need a winch, whether it's to get yourself unstuck or a friend. Along with basic recovery gear, a winch gives you peace of mind when you're out alone, on the farm, or even just around the house. Many UTVs come with winches from the factory, but in case yours didn't, they're often very simple to add. Sometimes with a few additional parts, and sometimes just by bolting it into place and connecting it to the battery. At Fueled UTV, we have hundreds of winches to choose from that fit any build or budget. Base the winch you choose on the weight of your vehicle. You can pick between 3,500, 4,500, and 6,000 pounds. Modern winches often come with convenience and safety features such as wireless remotes and synthetic line instead of steel cable, which is less dangerous if it were to fail. Top-of-the-line winches like the Warn Axon 45S add IP68 waterproofing if you plan on forging any rivers or exploring in the rain. If you don't have an existing place to mount a winch in your side-by-side, they can often be easily added with a winch mount or bumper that's specifically designed for your model. Easy mod number 3, a turn signal kit. A turn signal kit is essential if you want to be street legal while driving your UTV on public roads. Two of the most popular plug-and-play turn signal kit options are XTC Power Products and Corbin Custom Works. Both kits come specifically designed for your UTV model and include lights, switch, and wiring harness. Some kits allow you to add even more features at the same time, like hazard lights and a horn. Beyond our awesome one-stop shop website, we also want to build out this channel to help answer your UTV questions, inspire you on what your machine can be, and spread the good news of our sport to the world. So hit that subscribe button to help this channel grow and leave us a comment about what types of videos you'd like to see from us. Installing an aftermarket clutch kit is vital for improving your machine's performance, especially if you've increased your tire size or going with a grippier, aggressive tread pattern. Most manufacturer stock clutches are set up for the average rider, which makes sense. But that makes them not necessarily suitable for things like difficult trails, rock crawling, or competitive track racing. Optimizing your clutch creates quicker upshift and cleaner backshift, giving you better throttle response. At FueledUTV.com, we have a comprehensive selection of clutches to choose from. Again, this is based on your make, model, and riding style. Installation is straightforward. We have a couple videos you can check out on the subject. And again, feel free to call us and we can help you order the right kit and walk you through the process. And last but not least, music. Take your tunes along for your adventures with a variety of sound systems from FueledUTV.com. Options range from mild to wild. One popular and easy to install option is the EcoX Gear Sound Extreme 26-inch soundbar. It's IP66 water and dustproof, has 500 watts of power, 8 marine-grade speakers with 2 tweeters, 4 mid-range, and 2 side-mounted woofers. It has Bluetooth connectivity and even multicolor LED backlighting that can sync with your music. And the sky's the limit from there with full systems from Rockford Fosgate and SSV Works. But that's getting out of the easy category. Head on over to fueledutv.com to check out all the mods we've talked about. Leave us a comment and let us know what you think of this list and what your top 5 easy UTV mods are. Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos, epic builds, and UTV adventures. Until next time, I'm Jason with Fueled UTV, and I'll see you out on the trail.